yang ngajat sangme ngira stan kani lam gunika samthuk dulce system du strenle
Yes, teni dizu bis thola te ma mang pojik taksa soba ngata yi teni kule tsila teni tugu ne japtok ngata Naropa fellowship ni beings te japtok ju chisoga japtok youtube te yot teni nge rewa yi teni talen yi kanyang taksa ngatang tiring tugu gya thalijik teni tiring ngata lo chiki teni lobjong jongtar popul te teni rara sosoi teni ngata yula yika spaceship na ngata Ladakh ni yot tena nangshila Nepal ni yot Bhutan ni yot Delhi ni yot teni ngata Mizoram ni yot o Calcutta ni yot yul mangpo shikne teni kong ngata Ladakh pa chikpo manpa teni kapo yang pilok yula jukan kunang Himalaya rigula yindro Himalaya pilok la jukna kong kunang Ladakh la lobjong lochik zat sar piting ne chi yinang Ladakh la danjik datjik Ladakh la jenjik tena nangshila chisok la jenjik rangshinge teni yongste teni kongkunyang teni maongpa teni rangrang susu yulang yinok mazet per ngatang Ladakh la teni kongkuni chongna yinang yang taksa sopa miyong kande mijong waki teni yang lobjong mangpo shiki togne ngati maongpe yongche chinji chuguk pikuni pia maongpe yongche chinji teni ngatang teni jujugo chusuna yul yarkesi pia teni kongkuni chogne teni jabdok tsetang denpa shik pudang denpa shik teni pul tupchese teni nye rewayin teni tani chin tarung yinna yang ngatang lo mangpo jiga teni dibo dedang saga desang gesa chuste dulchese nye rewa ta melam yin teni nye mangpo jimijwa teni tering yekha ngati lopchuk zamjige tugu gya thaljige kong changmala nye ningkung respecting ne teni congratulation yang na tashis delek jot nye jakone izam teni lo chigi ringa kos zate teni tering jukdesya nye chokne teni ngatang gonpa tang sangme chokne kong changmala tashi delek tang kong e mise na mise don tang denpa shi gyurches tang chisok la japtok juches tang matset pe i zambo lingpo tarung sang teni chaga tang teni gyala jik zat tube teni nye rewa ta melam ta nyampo teni yang nye lanchik teni tiring i ka stage ka juks pe teni skundun pa linges changmala teni tiring i ka pepches la ning thakpan ne tukjichi changmala julo
be here with you and to be able to just really absorb everything that you all stand for. I come from a place which cannot be more different than where we are today. My home state is Bihar. It is as different in every way as you can imagine, much more noisy, hot, fertile. We deal with floods, we deal with droughts, and many other kinds of issues. But I think there are some common things. You have not far from you one of the most beautiful rivers in the world, the Indus, and we have, where we come from, the Ganga. We also have, I think, in our common heritage, for generations and centuries, people who've had to leave where they live to look for lives and livelihoods. I think that unites many different parts of India in this kind of a venture. But I think there is an even more direct connection. Centuries ago, the great scholar Naropa was at the ancient university of Nalanda. And if I, with my limited knowledge, understand correctly, a large part of the legacy that we see here in this part of the world perhaps had its roots starting way back then. And to me, it's amazing that this unbroken tradition continues in you and what you're going to do after this. So, what does it mean for a new institution to do for where it grows? How does it connect to what is around? And I thought maybe I can digress a little bit by telling you one or two small
The
stories.
programs started at the Naropa Fellowship. I think it's really inspiring programs, and especially for the people of Ladakh are getting an opportunity to interact with so many beautiful people coming all over the world, and is actually creating a platform for them to speak to them, understanding each other culture, especially giving them more confidence in terms of communication skills, in terms of the other aspect of the education one should possess. Ladakhis are by nature, it's a very kind of an introvert kind of a people. They hardly opens up. So it takes them time for them to open up. So not everyone gets an opportunity to study outside. But within the Ladakh, the kind of exposure that one should get was very minimum. But thanks to His Holiness Drukpa Rinpoche for starting up this kind of programs here and actually giving them a platform, especially to the youth and the younger generations. Your Excellency, keeping the noble service of His Holiness Drukpa Rinpoche, we have also tried to contribute little to the fellows of Naropa Fellowship. This year, sir, we have given them some of them, I think not all. Today I find it a lot of people are here, but some of them in a few months back, sir, we gave them a chance to serve in LHDC as an internship program. So we thought at least we can also contribute something to the His Holiness this noble cause. In coming days, I would like to request His Excellency to also give some opportunity to these fellows to serve as an internship program in UT administration, in other programs also. We will also ensure once again that at the Hill Council level, we will also give you an opportunity to come and work with us to gain some more field experience. So doors are always open for you all. We look forward to work with you in the coming days.
The blessings are there of the Rinpoche himself. The blessings are there of some of the best people in the education field in the country. Mr. Pramod Sinha, he has been responsible for literally revolutionizing the way education is looked at in India. He has really made it clear that an institution like ISB or Ashoka University, I don't have to go through a curriculum which is mundane, which is traditional. There has to be a curriculum which suits the requirements of the problem. And we are blessed, all of you are blessed, that the curriculum, the way you are taught, has been designed by him. He has brought the best possible people in the field. So bless him. So bless him to have Madam Banerjee here, who in the entire country, she represents the voice of education, whether it is primary education, whether it is pre-primary education. Her voice is heard with respect. Her voice is heard as if it is the government itself is speaking. Her voice is heard to see the future directions where we should be going.
We will call out their names along with the live action projects that they worked on towards designing sustainable solutions for living.
Anushka Tyagi, Green Tea.
Arun Mudgil, Converters.
Janika Bujela, Introvision.
Little Green World. Pritam Bhattacharya share rent. Puroha Kantpal, Samya Tripathi, Cosmic Dreams Artistry. Savani Kumar, The Tree House. Shantanu Pandit, The Tree House.
Somiro Kotyar, Indonesia. Tanzil Chokdan, Namaskar Kumi.
Chang Thilis Bro. Vaibhav Arora, Himalayan Plastic Bag.
Fauzia Bhatt, Ecocash. Himanshu Dua, My Pahari Dukan. Insha Mir, Ecocash.
Ikshika Singh Deso. Irfan Hussain, Darjeeling Institute of Zero Waste Solutions. Jigme Dolma, Ihi.
Jigmet Padma Dejot. Judah Yashov Fishing Indigenous Football Foundation.
Kinne Chodin, Darjeeling Institute of Zero Waste Solutions. Manjeet Yadav Dansa. Muhammad Ali Zubair, My Pahari Dukan.
Muthu Dorje, The Laughing Center. Muthu Namgyal Dansa.
Nerika Guha, the Himalayan Nutrition Company. Nima Dolma Strawberry. Aziz Sami in absentia.
Padma Shorol, Leyland. Padma Dolkar, Revocrafts. Pragya Rai Chaudhary, Advaya.
Rizin Wandus, Paper Lala. Roman Sehgal, My Pahari Dukan, and the Himalayan Nutrition Company.
Saurabh Satish Zari. Shivani Sharma Sudhar.
Suleha Kausal Ihi, Sonali Dubey Yakub Gupta,
Kashi Namgyal Ladakh Blue,
Thank you.
Tene Naropa Fellowship Schola Zapikshik Juna Naropa Fellowship Pongatai Lo Nistong Chobgadina Gozuk Chakani program Jikino Kawangatai Skabgon Galwang Dukpa Rinpoche Migji Nangsin Dukpa Tukse Rinpoche Nang Dr. Pramad Raj Sine Ngiske Zungdella Lo Chigi program Jik Gozuk Sontanok Nistong Chobgadina E programming atai Migji Wajuna Himalayan Riljong se Tonstagun Selches Tang Himalayan Riljong se Junuguni Yontan Bo Skate like Homse Sifia Shuru Chokani atai degree Jigino Lo Chigi residential program Jigino Kasalitene E program being atai focus pota Himalayan Riljong nang Ladakh Sinogel in nang atai Tugut Sangma atai Loptuk Sangma Gyagari her state na yonokle teo machat tene Nepal Bhutan yang atai Chigel yul banchik nang acha fellows kunina le batele
tena chowa idna lo sumena kepgun dukpa rimboche nang kapje tukse rimboche yang Dr. Parmat kongone kutin la tene Naropa Fellowship na halam thugu gyanang ngapchu jamjiga I degree o diring nang yapo thon tenokle tena chosra Ladakh sena halam 40 to 45% ngate Ladakh yang Himalayan thugmang ko yoteno tena choksa te I program ba kidena entrepreneurship development ka kidena rango rang es thonje se nang nyampo yang employment generation apyang market ma gyala jig yoteno kasel
Tenina thu ni chi project exams te changla jas kap de
kasale tene e ngachi Naropa Fellowship na ngata academics si thokna juna academics pungai khagjin ar gostorle kavina ngal la chokla entrepreneurship pungai main focus enokle te 60% of courses ngata entrepreneurship na yonokle baki 40% courses po chikchikta communications enokle yang personal development yang society and culture ta e changmena ngata yontan jigyote mane successful entrepreneurship gyuchechik kaspoduk samste tene e changma ngata e program na alhaban gele teo man pa tene ngata fellows changma live action project LAPs entang last chonokle kavina khonanguni rangra interest area jigna interest yotkani topic shika last chonokle chahe te tourism ina indo agriculture ina indo waste management ina indo kazuk shigin nang khonanguni interest hisab se last choste project shika last chonok ka ngata migji tenna noki lo chigi khong program thon la te khong project po ngata business model jigna gyurina business startup idea jigna gyurin te na migji ngya po LAP project shika last
Naropa Fellowship course po complete sa ka kok charak gena
skitpang ragyale skitpang charak dukpang charak dukpo skitpo te feche jana I 1 year journey bo khatam soyal dukpang te na ferak ki khatam song sarta 1 year bo ka thopa yam po but kachi lop se sama pura sumet kan soyal
ne ti ke changla jat bina ka I fellowship na
nge Ladakh cruise te dial ngai ka Ladakh se chang ka in pinle
yale
ten ngai mixji bo ke tang te na in pinti ngati yang Ladakh spagun na ka zuk chang gun donat magati gun philok ne yongste no pala ka vena ngati community nang ko ngati mi gun ne fia chang phantok me to ngati pene gun philo sonste no pa te ngai ngatang ra chang ka gun amal gun ne cho ngal ne pala khona chang credit chi din supa matho ba no pa yale tene khona credit thop chukste tena pene bo tena community nang ko khor chuk chen
ka you thon te kina ngera wa tene entrepreneur setup tu si ngera mixi ina ngera
il ngai thugusum yo diale
kasa
ngai ngam poyang thopa ni so te ngai gun tena cho che samban le ala
ya ta si dele ya no le sana
yime stanjin runduk
acha tene I lo chigi ngana Naropa Fellowship to na ngera chiri ka chawla si mixi ta
kasalinga ina I base pena man pai sangan me base pena binale kaunga ta I nagya me onches suggesting nga I convocations na jugdus pe choma inale tene khon nang yampo jos inange projects na life action projects na Ladakh local zirte dale kawi nang ko ngata Ladakh se zorik ngata khas karke chilling ngata thau chapkan choche zera jos lekiri ngata zama choche zera jos tez gun ngata kazus keshkyob nyan ches dugyang te gun ngata Ladakh se junu gun kazuksha te gun thot goshes duk tezuk shik thapshik choche zinale kaw ngata dangdri Amazon za chokte gun yot no kaw ngata internet through ngata nyonyan no te chala gun halale teo man pa ngata video gyute YouTube te zuk video gyut tange cha chik chondu chospin kawe na mi guna I zorik po kazuk shos cha khoi gyalra po chin tene ngata kazuk she duba no turman chokshigin nang kazuk she duba teo ngata Ladakh se mi guna thoche se koshish chos
I ngata ketla ke singira skap sik to ngira yongwe ke thona ngata I thonga
kasele ngira tangpo mulchi jana ngata business ik duk sichwa singa po ngata yongwa ta jes ma khakchan logale ina ngata I goma na cha chik yonggo cha chik kaspo duk leche jana yu ngata goma documentation video tuzuk chos te mi gunal tanches bina choteo chogala tene ngata tsam gyagar gun chos la machine ka chos tangche yot met chak ngati lakpa ba lagzo chogan no palale te fe ngata cha chik yongwe thone tsam yenche sang dugar tangpo mas ngata tourism through indo ngata pilokona chala gun ngata chongyan na ngata Ladakh sami kuri nang kuang ter dotpa nya chalak yo ches pona ngata skap duk yali ina daksa chabi chi ngata mangchat koshish po ngata mi guna te ngata awareness tang ches pega chosten na
all the best
baje thije
ya kundang la tene dingira Naruto fellowship degree tan tangena chi
chamala jule ngimia kunjang do jen yale tene nga rong ne yale tene nga Narupa fellowship ke tenang 2019-29 ye jos pinale tene Narupa fellowship ke tenang 1 year program jino ka ngata Himalaya se samchik thugu ya ngata youth samchik na khungune fe entrepreneur nang yang leadership qualities guni thokne ngata jongdar tangche sigino yale ten I Narupa nang daksang ngai bech na ngai Ladakh niyo Nepal niyo Bhutan niyo tenna chokla jagare alag alag jaga na kona kona ne yo dale tene ni Narupa fellowship na ni project chodle sirzang de ka ni pashmini ka last shot ten pashmina o chief ni last shot se inzerna daksang ata Ladakh la kitena pashmina o kitena mamang pu thonche charup पत्ते नंग नंग 90% तो सुंगा ता फ्लो का ngata charu ale tene nge ina ninche se main reason bote fan like ngata cham singa nangati Ladakh se ngata na use shows ngati Ladakh pe mi gunik fia izuko ena cham singa na yungo ngata spelche se fia ngata chos tine ale tene Narupa fellowship ke tena ngata gelong rupa 12th gelong rupa nang tena Rinpoche ko lead zate hi seminar thukshe Rinpoche nang Dr. Pramad niski iu ngata found zat tokle ale ten iu ketanang nge Ladakh se youth guna teo zat lekin ngata graduation is tingna ngata job chikpoman pa government job chikpoman pa ngata entrepreneur side lang sapi yong goshes dugyale ten I fellowship ke ngata skap sa minda thop du ngata network goshes na network ngata ngan du ngata ina masat pe ngai besina तेचुक LLP मांगपुद लेकी का ना फंड संज्ञाला थुप सुद खोंगना उन्हीं चोकने अलग अलग फैकल्टी चोकने फंड संगता ग्याला थुप सुद याले तेने इना योंग गोशेस इन्वॉल्व चा गोशेस वो खाचन दुगले थैंक यू ले